Hello and welcome to the Nutri Mantra podcast. Let us talk about something today that we have all experienced at some times in our lives. Food cravings, which might hit anytime, anywhere. You might be walking down the road, watching a movie, or just sitting at your desk. Suddenly, out of nowhere, you feel like eating something. Maybe a chocolate, chips, something spicy. Even if your stomach is completely full, the cravings can still be pretty strong. And then a thought pops up in your mind, a few bites won't really matter, right? And before you know it, this thought keeps going round and round in your mind. This is food craving. Many people believe cravings mean the body needs a specific nutrient. But often, cravings are more about what is happening in the mind than what the body actually needs. For example, craving a chocolate does not always mean your body needs chocolate. There are plenty of other foods with similar nutrients, but we don't usually crave those. So there is often something else that is going on beneath the surface. One common reason for cravings is when we restrict ourselves too much. If we cut out certain foods completely or follow very strict diets, our mind can start to feel deprived. That sense of deprivation can set off a cycle. Craving, indulging, feeling guilty, and then restricting again. A more balanced approach is to allow yourself small amounts of foods that you enjoy. When nothing is completely off limits, cravings often become less intense. Another factor to consider is hydration. Sometimes what feels like a craving is actually your body asking for fluids. Mild dehydration can show up as a sudden urge to eat, especially for something sweet or salty. So sometimes just having a glass of water can help take the edge off. Now let us look at a few gentle ways to handle cravings when they show up. Firstly, just pause for a moment. Cravings usually don't last very long. If you can wait for even 10 to 15 minutes, the cravings often feel less intense. During that time, you might try shifting your attention maybe to do a quick task, take a short walk, call a friend, or simply have some water. Secondly, you can even try to look for alternatives for the foods you are craving. Like for example, if you are craving something crunchy, maybe try fruits or a fresh salad instead of chips. If you are in the mood for something sweet, simple homemade options like an apple-based dessert or carrot kheer without added sugar, of course, can work well. And if you love chocolates, keeping a small piece of dark chocolate can help. It is lower in sugar, has more beneficial compounds. Just a gentle reminder here, moderation matters. Thirdly, notice your portion sizes. Instead of buying large packs of your favorite foods, go for single servings. It helps you enjoy the food without overdoing it. Fourth, plan your snacks ahead. Many cravings are actually just hunger in disguise. If you go too long without eating, your body will push you towards quick, high-energy foods. Keeping healthy, easy-to-carry snacks with you can help prevent that situation to come. Try to be mindful in social situations. Like when you are at a party or a gathering, take a moment to look at all the options before you start eating. Pick what you really want, and if everything looks tempting, just take a little of each. That way, you can enjoy without feeling overwhelmed later. And finally, start noticing your patterns. Keeping a small craving journal can be surprisingly pretty helpful. Note when the cravings happened, what you were feeling, and how you responded to that craving. Over time, you will start to notice patterns. That awareness can make a big difference. So, the next time a craving comes up, just remember it's not lack of willpower. Most of the time, it is just your mind responding to restriction, habit, emotion, or sometimes even dehydration. With a little awareness and a balanced approach, cravings can become much easier to handle. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Nutri Mantra podcast. Take care, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.